Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on the mobile hotspot and making it discoverable. This is essential because Google TV must see the network to connect. Once done, check your phone's data allowance and signal to avoid interruptions, and choose 4 GHz if distance matters, or 5 GHz for faster speed. Make sure the hotspot SSID is simple, and set a secure WPA2 or WPA3 password, so your TV won't get blocked. Now you'll switch to the Google TV interface and go to Settings, the Network and Internet to view Wi-Fi options. This is how you tell the TV which network to use. Once you see your hotspot SSID, select it and enter the password exactly as on the phone. Capitalization and symbols matter. If the hotspot isn't listed, make sure the phone is discoverable, toggle Wi-Fi on the TV, or restart the hotspot so the TV can detect the broadcast. Finish by verifying the Google TV shows a valid IP and confirms internet access so apps will load. This step prevents surprises during playback. Then open a streaming app or run a quick speed test to confirm latency and bandwidth meet your needs, and reduce video quality if data is limited. If things fail, make sure mobile data is enabled, disable AP isolation on the hotspot, and reboot both phone and TV to clear temporary network conflicts. This usually resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.